Hello kids, welcome to Learning with DB Family. Today we are learn countings with colors. Looks. One, one, one. Where is one? Purple, 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 purple. Two. Where is two? Pink, 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 pink. Three. Where is three? Yellow. Four. Where is four? Orange. Five. Where is five? Five. Green. Green. Six. Where is six? Blue. Wow! Awesome! Looks. One. Where is one? Blue. Blue. Two. Where is two? Wow, we find two. Two. Red. Red. Three. Where is three? Red. Four. Where is four? Wow, we found four. Gray. Gray. Five. Five. Gray. Gray. Six. Where is six? Oh, wow. Orange. Black. 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 Where is seven? Seven. Yellow. Where is eight? Eight. Blue. Wow, good job.